Samsung Galaxy Fold Lite, the cheapest foldable phone. So what's up guys, and we are back with another latest news about the Galaxy Fold Lite. The Samsung has triggered the main issue with the Galaxy Fold devices, which is its price. The $1980 for Galaxy Fold was priced out of reach for most consumers, but now we are hearing from multiple sources that Samsung is looking to make Galaxy Fold more affordable to consumers by introducing a much cheaper device that is none other than the Galaxy Fold Lite. So in this video we are going to talk about everything we know so far about the Galaxy Fold Lite. So without wasting time, let's hop into the video. There have been a lot of rumors regarding the Galaxy Fold 2 lately, including details on its display sizes and pricing. That may not be the only Galaxy Fold model that Samsung has in the works though. Samsung is rumored to be working on a Galaxy Fold Lite, aka Samsung Fold E. According to Max Weinbach, this will be a more affordable device that could cost only $1,099 and be made with a mix of parts from 2018, 2019 and 2020. If this leaks comes true, then we will be really excited to see the huge jump in price from $1,980 to just $1,099. Talking about release date, the CEO of display chain consultants Ross Young recently shared that Samsung plans to announce the Galaxy Fold Special Edition, that is Galaxy Fold Lite, in July. He also claims that Samsung will sell this cheaper model in reduced quantities, that is approximately 55,000 units worldwide, in order to clear out inventory of the first generation Galaxy Fold before the second generation model. We will see the Galaxy Fold Lite with the same design as the original Galaxy Fold that was released last year. Since we are getting this phone in such affordable price, we can expect some features to be lacking. As said by Max Weinbach, the Galaxy Fold Lite will support 4G and lack 5G support. It will have 256 inbuilt storage and will come in Astro Blue with mirror black and mirror purple colors. The display of Galaxy Fold Lite will be smaller like the Galaxy Z Flip with no UTG. The Galaxy Fold Lite will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset and 8GB of RAM. The code name of this phone is rumored to be Winner 2, which could end up being Project Champ or Project Top 2. The outside of the body is tipped to feature both aluminium and glass. Comparing the expected price of Galaxy Fold 2, that is $1,900, to this Galaxy Fold Lite of $1,099, the Galaxy Fold Lite is much affordable. The $1,099 is still wouldn't exactly be cheap, but it could help a lot of people who have been interested in foldable phones can finally buy it and get into Samsung's Galaxy foldable ecosystem. Although we aren't 100% sure of all the details yet, but it's clear that now Samsung is working on a cheaper foldable device which will destroy the market. So that's all we know about the Galaxy Fold Lite. If you are interested in regular tech updates, make sure you subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.